Minister for Parliamentary Affairs is with us today to brief on the decisions taken in the cabinet meeting held earlier today. We also have with us Secretary, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Mr. Afzal Abdullah. I request you to check that your cell phones are switched off or in the silent mode before we begin. Thanks.
Friends, this is my first occasion to interact with media friends as far as the government is concerned. Of course, I've been dealing with you people for years together on political issues. But this is a new responsibility as Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. The Union Cabinet met today and has decided to convene the 16th Lok Sabha first session on 4th of this month, June. On 4th of this month, June. And there will be a session between 4th and 11th. 4th and 5th, swearing in of new members of the Lok Sabha. 6th, election of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 7th, 8th are Saturday, Sunday. 9th, Honorable President's address to joint session of Parliament. 10th and 11th, motion of thanks to the address of the Honorable President of India. And if there is some urgent business, we will discuss and then decide whether we should take it during that period or in consideration of the Speaker, we may sit for one more day. That is the schedule the Cabinet have decided today. At the end of the presidential address debate, the Honorable Prime Minister will be replying in both the houses. Time and other things will be worked out later. I have met the Honorable President of India yesterday and apprised him about the appointment of the pro-term Speaker. As per the procedure and practice so far, Sri Kamal Nath is the senior most member among the available members now. And then we have also identified Sri Kamal Nath has been in Parliament for 31 years. 7th to 10th, 12th to 15th Lok Sabha. And we have also identified 3 more people to be in the panel of speakers so that one need not sit continuously to administer oath to the honorable members, new members. So next is Sri Arjun Saran Sethi of the BJD. We don't go by parties. For the sake of your identification, I am telling the name of the party. Sri P.A. Sangma, former Speaker. Sri Biren Singh Ingti, Indian National Congress from the Northeast. These 3 people will be there in the panel, and Sri Kamal Nath will be pro-term Speaker. The President has agreed with that because he said it's a practice. We'll go by that. Depending on the convenience of the Honorable President, the pro-term Speaker will be sworn in. Then afterwards, the other things will start. Then, friends, after the election of the Speaker, then we will decide about the Deputy Speaker. This is about the schedule of Parliament. 4 जून से 16वीं लोकसभा का पहले सत्र शुरू होगा. 4 और 5 को शपथ ग्रहण होगा. 6 तारीख को माननीय सभापति जी का चुनाव होगा. 7 और 8 शनिवार और रविवार है. और 10-11 को राष्ट्रपति जी का अभिभाषण के बारे में चर्चा होगा. 9 तारीख को राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण होगा और 10 और 11 को राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण के ऊपर चर्चा होगा और अंत में प्रधानमंत्री जी दोनों सदनों में चर्चा का समाधान देंगे. जरूरत पड़े तो उस समय की स्थिति के अनुसार एक दिन बढ़ाना क्या करना वो हम लोग तय करेंगे स्थिति के अनुसार। ये आज का कैबिनेट का निर्णय है। और साथ ही साथ हमने कल राष्ट्रपति महोदय से मिला और उनको अवगत कराया जो प्रोसीजर है, प्रोसीजर के हिसाब से सबसे वरिष्ठ सीनियर मेंबर है श्री कमलनाथ जी, उनको प्रोटरम स्पीकर का नियुक्त करने के लिए हमने सिफारिश किया। और एक 3 सदस्य सीनियर मोस्ट अर्जुन शरण सेठी, पीए संगमा, श्री बीरेन सिंह इंगटी, इन तीनों सदस्य महोदयों को हम पैनल चेयरमैन के रूप में राष्ट्रपति जी के पास सिफारिश भेजा है। हमारी कमलनाथ जी से, अर्जुन शरण सेठी जी से, संगमा जी से, बीरेन सिंह जी से, चारों से बातचीत किया। कारण क्या है, उनका कंसेंट का भी जरूरत है। ये एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, कोई पद नहीं है, इसलिए उन लोगों को भी रुचि होना चाहिए। तो उन लोगों ने अपना स्वीकृति दिया है, तो इसका नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। मित्रों, जहाँ तक राज्यसभा का सवाल है, राज्यसभा 9 तारीख जॉइंट सेशन से शुरू होगा। वहाँ शपथ ग्रहण का कोई ये नहीं आई, तो अभी वो उसी दिन होगा। ये वहाँ का स्थिति है दोनों सदनों में। आज केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल का बैठक में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सभी मंत्रियों का अपना अपना विभाग के बारे में, मंत्रियों ने तो कुछ इश्यूज और कुछ सुझाव वगैरह प्रधानमंत्री के समक्ष रखा है। प्रधानमंत्री सब सुनने के बाद प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय है, मुख्य मुद्दा उन्होंने कहा गवर्नेंस, सुशासन, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। इसके ऊपर लोग प्राथमिकता से ध्यान देना चाहिए। दूसरा विषय उन्होंने कहा डिलीवरी इज इम्पोर्टेंट। और तीसरा विषय उन्होंने कहा उसके साथ ही साथ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। और उन्होंने जोर दे के ये भी कहा जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से जो चिट्ठियाँ आते हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेशंस आते हैं, उसको इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए, उसको अध्ययन करके तुरंत रेस्पॉन्स देना चाहिए। और जो माननीय संसद सदस्य और पब्लिक से भी जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन विज्ञापन विनती आता है, उसके बारे में भी ध्यान दे के तुरंत उसका समाधान करने के लिए प्रयास करना चाहिए। और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये विषय भी कहा है, पहला 100 दिन में हर एक मंत्री अपना अपना टाइम टेबल तय करे, प्राथमिकता क्या होना चाहिए, प्रायोरिटी। और जो इश्यूज पेंडिंग है डिपार्टमेंट में, पुराना सरकार के कारण से हो और भी कारण हो, उसको प्रायोरिटी देके तुरंत उसका समाधान करने के लिए प्रयास करना चाहिए। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, दैट मीन्स द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर stressed on 3 important aspects. One is the overall governance. That is the need of the hour, which has been lacking. Which has been lacking is my comment. Efficiency, delivery system, implementation. These are the 3 important guidelines the Honorable Prime Minister has given to the Council of Ministers today. And what are the issues that are at the last stage? Take them on priority and try to move forward. And in coming 100 days, what are going to be your priorities? What is your program? What is your timetable? You work out and then try to implement it. And then he also suggested that the representation or the proposals that have come from states, they should not be kept pending for long. They should be addressed on priorities, because the Prime Minister's stress has been from the day one is that to take the states along with the center, a real federal system wherein both should feel that they are the stakeholders. So, and then secondly, about the representation of the people's representatives, members of parliament, and the representation of the general public. they should be given all seriousness, and those issues should be addressed simultaneously. This is the thrust of the Honorable Prime Minister's advice to the Cabinet colleagues. He said that he will also have a meeting with the ministers separately. He will also have a meeting with the secretaries. And he has also suggested that all the cabinet ministers should take their MOS into confidence, take them along, give them proper work. And because he said we should build new teams for the long term, this is also required. Friends, this much from my side.
Just one moment, Shahid. One moment, please.
Okay.
The floor is now open for questions. I'll come back to you. 1 minute, Shahid. Yes, Sandeep.
सर एलओपी का
नहीं, पीछे संदीप.
सर एक एलओपी का इशू बाकी है. कांग्रेस कह रही कि उनका दावा है, क्या सरकार समझती है कि उनके पास नंबर्स है एलओपी को लेकर?
We are studying various precedents and we are discussing the issue. There is still time to take that call.
Yes, please.
Sir, there are media reports that PM will today unveil 10-point agenda. So, will there be any separate statement or something briefing for?
I have come here basically to deal with about the Parliament session. I do not have any information on that.
Yes, Lakshman.
सर मैं लक्ष्मण CNBC आवाज से. प्रधानमंत्री ने जब अपने मंत्रियों को कहा कि आप 100 डेज एजेंडा लेकर के आएं, तो वो मुलाकात कब से करेंगे? पहली मुलाकात में हर मंत्री को अपने मंत्रालय से जुड़े हुए 100 डेज एजेंडा लेके जाना है, या फिर प्रधानमंत्री ने कुछ निर्देश दिए कि ये एजेंडा है जिसको 100 डेज में पूरा करना है?
उन्होंने सलाह दिया है, मार्गदर्शन दिया है. मार्गदर्शन को पालन करने के लिए सब लोग प्रयास करेंगे. और उन्होंने ये भी कहा, मैंने मंत्रियों के साथ अलग बैठने वाले हैं, सेक्रेटरी के साथ अलग बैठने वाले हैं, ये भी बताया मैंने.
कब से बैठक शुरू होगी सर?
आपको मालूम हो जाएगा.
Just 1 minute.
He will be meeting the ministers, he will be meeting the secretaries, because a new team, new government.
वेंकैया जी, मैं प्रखर प्रकाश, साधना न्यूज से. आपने पूरा चुनाव लड़ा था कि सबसे पहले महंगाई कम कर देनी है. इसको लेके क्या है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस कह रही है आप 370 पे चले जाते हैं और महंगाई को नहीं.
Excuse me, this is a briefing. No, please. Let us not raise issues outside what the minister has briefed. If you have any clarifications on what the honourable minister has said, the minister will answer that. Yes, please. Shahid, you had a question. Yes.
So the Prime Minister today, as you said, he set his priority area as governance, delivery, all these things. But didn't he focus on what should be the specific areas, whether to contain inflation or to bring back economy to tracks or job creation? These sort of things he didn't focus today in his outline there?
Whatever I have to say about what was the advice given by the Honourable Prime Minister, I have said it. There is no need to elaborate. What is priority is a question of common sense. Naturally, price rise is a priority. There are so many other issues. So I am not here to discuss all of them. He has what is governance? What is governance? What is delivery mechanism? What is implementation? You all know better.
सर, दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स का इंट्रोडक्शन होता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर करवाते हैं, वो कब होगा? और दूसरी बात सर, जो डिप्टी स्पीकर की पोस्ट है, क्या आप अपोजिशन को, कांग्रेस को ऑफर करेंगे?
ये मंत्रियों का परिचय का कार्यक्रम राष्ट्रपति जी का अभिभाषण के बाद जब दोनों सदन बैठेंगे, उसमें लोकसभा में और राज्यसभा में समय के अनुसार प्रधानमंत्री जी अपना मंत्रियों का परिचय करेंगे दोनों सदनों को. और लोकसभा स्पीकर का चुनाव होने के बाद उपसभापति का चुनाव के बारे में सोचेंगे. उसके लिए भी समय है. आपने कुछ परंपरा याद दिलाया और परंपरा भी कितना पालन किया कब वगैरह वो पूरा मैं अध्ययन करना हूँ, अध्ययन करने के बाद निर्णय करेंगे।
Sir, this is Amey.
प्रेसिडेंट है उसके लिए। हाँ जी।
Sir, this is Amey. Have you zeroed in on the name of Lok Sabha Speaker? Any names?
We are not zeroed. We don't want to zero anybody.
Yes, Karthikeyan.
Sir, have you identified the legislative agenda which should be on the priority of the NDA? Has that work been done?
No, I am in the process of getting what are the bills pending in the Lok Sabha, what are the bills that have lapsed, and what are the bills which are in priority which have lapsed, and then what are the bills pending in Rajya Sabha. I am examining all of them, and then afterwards I will take it to cabinet and we will discuss with our cabinet colleagues and decide. This is going to be a short session, basically called for one, oath taking, second, election of speaker, third, joint session for the presidential address. This has been the custom all these years. So this session is basically for that purpose. Subsequently, we will be meeting again. Time also, the vote on account is already taken. We have time when we meet for the budget session. All these bills and other important issues, priorities, as some friends are suggesting, they will all be kept in mind, and then we will act accordingly.
Yes, at 1 minute, please. Please wait, yes.
नायडू सर, जैसे मंत्रियों को अपने रिश्तेदारों को पीएपीएस ना रखने की सलाह और निर्देश दिए गए, क्या सांसदों के लिए भी इस तरह के निर्देश जारी किए जाएंगे क्या?
नहीं, कोई जारी नहीं किया। वो कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट जो है समय समय में कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट जो भेजा रहा वो सबको कंपेल करके प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय ने सब मंत्रियों के पास भेजा। कारण क्या, बहुत लोग बहुत लोग नया है। आप संसदों के बारे में कह रहे हैं, संसदों को ऑलरेडी एक गाइडेंस है, अपना रिश्तेदार को अपना पेशे में नहीं रखना चाहिए। फिर मगर कोई लिखित पूर्वक कोई संसदों को अभी तक कोई ऐसा मार्गदर्शन दिया नहीं। आपने याद दिलाया, देखें।
Yes, please.
देखिए सर, आशीष हूँ मैं एबीपी न्यूज़ से। सर, क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर नेशन को एड्रेस करने वाले हैं, एंड इज इट गोइंग टू बी अ रेगुलर अफेयर लाइक यूएस प्रेसिडेंट?
कुछ ऐसा है तो आपको जरूर बताएंगे।
Yes,
जब बताया होगा उसको।
देखिए सर, हिमांशु फ्रॉम एनडीटीवी, आपने 100 दिन के एजेंडे की बात कही है। क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कोई टाइम फ्रेम भी दिया है मिनिस्टर्स को कि एक सर्टेन टाइम में 100 दिन का एजेंडा उनको तय करना होगा, और क्या उसको मॉनिटर भी करेंगे वो कि जो एजेंडा फिक्स करते हैं?
प्रधानमंत्री ने आज बैठक में मार्गदर्शन दिया, 100 दिन का आप एजेंडा बनाओ। तो 100 दिन है तो 1-2 दिन में करेंगे, 4 दिन में करेंगे, वो अपना हिसाब से मंत्री लोग अपना मंत्रालय के साथ आपस में बैठ के तय करके चर्चा करके निर्णय करेंगे। इसको कोई फिक्स्ड अमुक तेजी तक ये करना ऐसा कोई जरूरत नहीं। स्पिरिट विल बी अंडरस्टूड बाय द मिनिस्टर्स एंड एवरीबडी नोस द माइंड ऑफ आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर।
Yes, Shishir, please.
Sir, Shishir from Hindu Business Line. Sir, was there any discussion or is there any tentative schedule for the budget session, sir?
No. In today's meeting, no.
We'll take some questions from here. Yes, please.
प्रधानमंत्री अभी गुजरात भवन में रह रहे हैं, 7 RCR कब शिफ्ट करेंगे? मैं राकेश हूँ इंडिया न्यूज़ से।
वो मेरा इश्यू नहीं है, मगर जल्द से जल्द हो जाएगा। आप चिंता मत करिए, जल्द से जल्द हो जाएगा।
Yes, Arunima, come. Just one. Yes, Venkat. Just wait.
Sir,
somebody is waiting before you.
Anand Mishra from.
I can allocate houses to ministers, but Prime Minister is not under the urban development ministry. As an urban development minister, there is a minister pool, and ministers has to vacate. Outgoing ministers has to vacate their houses. As that you have raised that issue, I request all the outgoing ministers, please vacate at the earliest so that the new incumbents can, after all they have to settle, they have to function, they also have their own plans of doing some puja or whatever it is. So for that, keep that in mind. The honorable outgoing minister should vacate it and set a good example to the people so that there is no problem for me. Otherwise, these people new ministers are waiting and old ministers are not vacated. Then there will be a problem.
Sir, could you please elaborate a bit more on what the Prime Minister said about work allocation to MOSs? Because that was also an issue during UPA government. So what exactly he said about...
I do not want to elaborate anything. He said, take MOS along with you, give them proper work. It is understood.
please.
And I have been a minister earlier, cabinet minister. There used to be MOS under me, and we have taken care of them also.
Sir, from Vajpayee government's time till 2014, this has been a continuing cause of concern for the MOSs that they are not being given any work. Vajpayee also had a very long meeting with MOSs sometime in around 2000. Then Manmohan Singh tried to have meetings twice, but Prime Minister's directives to cabinet ministers has not actually resulted in addressing the grievances and concerns of the MOSs.
The spirit of the advice is properly understood by all the cabinet ministers, and they will take care of their MOS. There won't be any problem. But MOS is MOS. Try to understand. Independent. I'm not trying to make a lighter remark. There is a cabinet minister. He is accountable, and there is a minister of state independent charge. So there is no problem. There are ministers of state who have been posted under cabinet ministers. They have to segregate the work and give certain amount of work to the MOS. He cannot entrust the total decision making to MOS. So there is an area wherein you have to work out this thing so that the MOS also feel satisfied that he has been involved in the decision making process. Proper consultation, regular taking into confidence, all these things should go on. It's a arrangement. There is no such a rule or regulation, codification of these things.
So I have two questions. I've been waiting for
The
long.
first meeting, PM has just advised.
Please,
Venkat,
please allow me to conduct this in a civilized manner. Please, somebody is waiting before you, please.
So you said that an address to the nation from the Prime Minister is expected. Was there any discussion on the contours and how will that?
No minister never said anything like
Okay,
this.
and
No.
Someone has asked me.
Yeah. So my question is, sir, is there a discussion on the presidential address to the joint session of the Parliament? And since that address usually outlines the agenda for the government, how is that going to be different from if the Prime Minister addresses the nation?
Certain suggestions were given even the other day for yesterday's meeting also. Some suggestions were given. They will be kept in mind, and then there may be one more occasion also for finalizing this presidential address, because the presidential address contains the cabinet's priorities and agenda, etc.
So the Prime Minister seeking...
No, Himanshu, please. Other people are waiting. Yes, please, that side.
Okay.
वेंकैया जी इधर सर पार्लियामेंट और कैबिनेट से ही जुड़ा हुआ है नीलम जी, इसलिए पहला कि
Please restrict yourself to what
कैबिनेट
the
और
honorable
पार्लियामेंट
minister has briefed. Yes.
कैबिनेट और पार्लियामेंट सेशन से ही जुड़ा हुआ है। वेंकैया जी, आप पार्टी के भी वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, कैबिनेट के भी वरिष्ठ नेता हैं। 6 तारीख को स्पीकर का जो चुनाव है, क्या सुमित्रा महाजन फ्रंट रनर है? दूसरा क्या कैबिनेट में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपने जो प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को जो अध्यादेश द्वारा लाया है उसकी जानकारी दी कि क्यों लाना पड़ा? नृपेंद्र मिश्रा जी,
प्रधानमंत्री जी का कोई इसके बारे में स्पष्टीकरण करने की जरूरत नहीं है. On the issue of competence, proven integrity and utility for greater responsibility, it was decided, and it is no issue at all. My friends in the opposition do not have any other issue, so they are trying to rake up this issue where there is no controversy at all. Government has got the right, and there was a lacuna in the Act, so that has been rectified. There is no problem. With regard to your other question, I have not mentioned any name. You have given some suggestion. We'll keep that suggestion also in mind. But that's not my prerogative to decide about the speaker. I cannot speak about the speaker now in this meeting.
Yes, Venkat, you have a question.
Please.
Venkaya ji, since the Congress party could not get the respective number to become the principal opposition, does the government have any proposal to give opportunities the deputy, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha to the regional parties like ADMK or Trinamool Congress and the Navin Patnaik party, the Biju Janata Dal, if they form a group kind of a thing, will you consider this group can be getting the deputy speaker post from the Lok Sabha?
So far there has been a practice of coalition of the government. There is no precedent as far as the centre is concerned about coalition of an opposition. If some coalition is forthcoming and they are willing to work together, okay, they have got every right. With regard to who should be the made deputy speaker, whether there should be leader of the opposition recognized, what does the LOP Act of 1977 says, what are the directives of the speaker, Rule 121 says, what has been the precedent so far under various governments, all these things are being examined and we will take a final call at an appropriate time. I
Sir,
don't want
just
to
one
talk
related
about
question.
any parties.
Yeah, just one related question to the TRAI ordinance, sir. Will, because that has to be converted in the Act as well, so will that be part of the first Parliament session that...
We'll see, before the stipulated time it will be done.
Yes, please.
Ordinances has to be placed on the floor, on the table of the House, once the House meets. That will be done. When should we take it up? That will be decided.
सर के.एम. शर्मा फ्रॉम न्यूज़ में सर एक सवाल है, जैसे बात की कि स्टेट और जो वहाँ से चिट्ठियाँ आती हैं, तो कोई ऐसी योजना है कि मुख्यमंत्रियों के साथ प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बैठक हो ताकि बेटर कोऑर्डिनेशन से काम हो सके पूरे देश में?
ये सब सुझाव है, मैं क्या इसका बारे में व्याख्या करूं? Keeping the true federal spirit is that because he also worked as a chief minister in a state continuously for this many number of years. And I also experienced that states go on making representation and they are all lying here in Delhi. They will be making rounds number of times and all. That is not the true spirit of the constitution and the federal system. So the Prime Minister, to raise certain standards in the, in the maintaining this federal spirit of the constitution and also our democratic system, he has given an advice today to the ministers because they are the decision makers again. I may recall that during my period as rural development ministers, I used to go to the states and then convene the meeting of the state chief minister and concerned ministers and try to understand the issues and then sort out the issues. So that is in keeping in the best traditions and all. But whatever it is, Prime Minister has given some guidance and everybody will understand that.
Okay, we'll take the last question, please. Yes. No, please, Arunima, we have to go.
Sir, I'm Ashutosh from DNA newspaper. Did the PM mention about any particular sector like infrastructure or say finance, GST or DTC when he talked about the first 100-day priority for the government?
He did not specify any. Every sector is important. Every sector is important and every section is important. And expectations are high. That also, we ministers, everything is priority, sir. One thing is priority to you. For Kisan, remunerative price is priority for him. For the poor and other people, the price rise is a major issue for them. And then for the women in the country, security is an important concern for them. And for the states, redressal of their grievances with regard to stepmother treatment, that is also important. For the youth, unemployment is a major challenge. And for the country as a whole, security is an important aspect. So all these things are there. I don't want to prioritize them here. Every minister has to take all these issues into consideration and then draw his own.
So your colleague TDPs demanded that N.T. Rama Rao.
No political questions, please. No political.
He's giving a public statement, N.T. Rama Rao. Do you think that he should give? Should give
Polavaram project or the ordinance related to the submerged areas of Polavaram, have you sent it to the president, and what do you have to say about KCR calling for a band on this proposed ordinance?
My point is, whatever the cabinet has decided, including the Polavaram project, the cabinet has approved the recommendation of the Home Ministry, which was made. Please try to understand, people are trying to make it a controversial issue. There is no controversy at all on this issue. I don't want to name any political parties because I am